So in today's video, we will talk about two types of people who are in this world if you're doing any type of business. And the thing I have taken it from the very good book. It's a national bestseller, or you can say it's a international bestseller from the author Simon Sinek, and that is Start with the Why. Yeah, this is a very good book, and if you read, there is a many reason in this book why should you start with the why and not the how. But the thing I am talking about is that two types of customers you have when you start your business. These are the loyal customers and there's a repeated customers. So in this book, Simon Sinek has very deep thinking about those types of customers and explained in very good manner that what are those types of customers and what is the difference between these two, loyal customers and repeated customers. If you say there's a very thin line between these two, loyal and repeated customers. So repeated customers can be of any brand. If you take an example like there's an X company who is providing you 1+1 offer for a full month, then you can repeatedly buy its product until and unless it stops this offer. But you are not loyal to that. But in the case of a company, you are so loyal to it that you can buy repeatedly from it irrespective of any their offer or not. In a real world example, if you talk about the royal customers, they are the Apple. Yes, Apple customers are the loyal customers, you can say, because they are eagerly waiting for their new iPhones to be launched, and irrespective of their features or their price, they buy it. Might be X company is providing you something very good, but you will not buy that thing, but you will buy the iPhone because you are loyal to it. So if you're starting a business, you have to earn the loyal customers and not the repeated customers, because repeated customers can be stopped anytime. They can stop buying from you without any time if they think, if you found a good offer from your competitor. So there's a many reasons behind how you can make a customer loyal. Now it can be your integrity, your honesty, your commitment to the product you are launching. There are many things, but I recommend to read this book, A Start With by Simon Sinek. It's a very good book, and you will find a lot of things from it. So hope you friends like this video and know about the difference between the repeated customers and the loyal customers. So friends, I will end this video from this point that if you want to create a business, create your loyal customers, and if you want to become a customer of some brand, be it a loyal. So we will meet tomorrow with another topic and another story. Till then, goodbye.